Hi, I'm Anastasia Pereira and welcome to my channel about makeup. Here I share my makeup ideas, hacks and techniques. In this video I will do a bright summer makeup on my beautiful model, and it's based on a trend of a double color accent, meaning there is an accent on both eyes and lips in this makeup. It is also a little bit inspired by the style of the 90s, and I styled my model's hair with an effect of a very voluminous salon blow dry, which sets this vintage vibe to the look from the beginning. And I start the makeup process as always with a hydrating lotion. Spread it all over the skin and massage very well with my brush until the product is totally absorbed in the skin. I added the same cream under the eyes with a smaller brush to prepare this area for application of products. This cream works very well with any type of skin, both as a skincare and as a base. I take a BB cream as a foundation and apply it with a middle-sized dense brush that is so good for working out all the areas and details on the face. This unique product combines a very high coverage, light texture, naturally looking finish, and moreover it's water resistant and adapts to the color of the skin. But it might look uneven at first because it needs time to set, so don't judge the result immediately, wait a little bit. With the same brush I go to the area under the eyes, and for a flawless coverage I tap it in with a clean wet sponge, and adoring the beauty of my model and her dewy, crystal and porcelain skin at the same time. Adding a little bit of HD concealer under the eyes and on the eyelids for a little bit more color correction, and blend with a sponge additionally after each step. I want to make a light cream correction to add a little bit of warmth to the skin, so I use this palette of correctors and take a light bronze color, apply and blend it on the correction areas. But my plan is to balance it with a more neutral brown powder later, because now obviously it looks too warm for her. And let's add some summer color, a coral shade of lipstick as a blush and a lip tint. I use a flat brush to apply the product from my hand on the upper half of the cheekbones and blend with a sponge and emphasize a fresh and young looking skin of my model. And I set all the products with a loose powder now. I apply it very carefully and only locally on the center of the face. Next, preparing the lips with my favorite lip balm and moving on to add the powder products. And I highlight and illuminate the cheekbones on the border with blush with this shimmering highlighter. And the same product with the same brush, I am adding on the eyes like a powder. And look how great it fits her skin tone and how it emphasizes her freshness. And I will shape her eyes in the crease with this dusty pink color. I really like using this combination on the eyes to get this baby face look. And on the lower lid I will blend a little bit of natural light brown corrector to get more dimension to the eyes. With the same corrector, I will add a little bit of sculpture to the face lines on top of the warm cream bronzer and balance it a little bit. And now I start working with the eyes. I want to create a really soft and half transparent dark green eyeliner, so I start with a soft deep emerald pencil as a base. I create a line and blend it with an angled brush, creating a wing like that. Once my base of the eyeliner is ready, I will top it up with these beautiful deep navy green eyeshadows in the outer corner. I want to leave the lower edge of the wing sharp and upper edge soft, so I blend it with a soft brush to reach a gradually dissolving color there. In the inner corner I am adding this light emerald eyeshadow sparkle. It will lighten up the eyes in the inner corner and give a dimension effect to the liner. And after that I'm adding mascara for voluminous and black lashes with a focus on the roots. And then I realized that I want more depth and transition on the eyes, so I added some more neutral brown character on the border with the green color. Her brows are just naturally beautiful, so I want just to direct and fix them on one place with a gel and make a minimum fill-in with a blonde pencil. I don't want to make them too graphic, dark or heavy. This could already be the final result, but I spontaneously, in the flow, decided to add the second accent on the lips. With the lipstick I used on the cheeks as a blush, I tint the lips to get this juicy coral shade and top it up with a red gloss. And now it's time to have a look at the final result and before and after. I think this makeup is really bright but still wearable for daily life. But it definitely pops up and emphasizes the personality of my model. What do you think? Let's exchange opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed this makeup, please support me and click a like button and subscribe to my channel. And I wish you all the best and see you next week. Ciao!